The crypto industry and blockchain technology has basically, up to this point, it's mostly just been used for meme coins and pretty much worthless things that don't actually benefit society at all. And that's why a lot of these things fail. If there's no actual use case, if there's no problem that they're actually solving, then it's not a business. It ends up just being a Ponzi. So the crypto projects that I've been interested in have been far and few between. Or is it few and far between? Whichever. I'm getting pitched 5 to 10 crypto projects every day, and I ask them, what are you doing? And the answer is never anything. The answer is always, well, you can make a lot of money. Not interested in that. Well, I mean, I'm interested in making money, but real revenue, real businesses are going to come from solving problems in the world. So that's why I'm excited today to talk to you about Timpi. I did an AMA with their founder last month and really like what they're doing. I really like how they're utilizing blockchain. First off, let's talk about data. Data is not something that you probably think about a ton, but did you know that data is the most traded commodity in the world? Information about you, what websites you go to, what you search for, what you post on social media, what you're interested in, what you like. Companies are willing to pay millions, sometimes billions of dollars for that information. It's very valuable to them. And up until this point, I mean, the major players in data, you think of Google is #1 by far. So they get all the search history. Anytime you visit a website, they get information about you. Facebook, or I guess it's called Meta now. I don't do these name changes, okay? I'm too old to remember new names. So it's Facebook and Twitter. But they put cookies on websites to keep track of where you go so that they know what you like, so they know what advertising to show to you. But data is basically a monopoly. There's 3 or 4 companies that control all of it in the world. And it's a massive multi-billion-dollar industry. So what Timpi is looking to do is, instead of that data collection being centralized in Google's database, Google has all this data about everyone in the world. They want to decentralize it, where there's not one place all the data for people in the world is stored, but it's distributed. Timpi is building what they call the world's largest data index. It's a massive catalog of all the information on the internet, but it's not controlled by a single company or a single person. So Timpi is part of what we call in crypto DEPIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. Okay, that's too long to remember though, so just DEPIN. It's a fancy term, but the idea is simple. Instead of one company controlling everything, it's decentralized and many people share the load. And I love this because they're using blockchain technology to actually accomplish something, to actually help the world. Remember, blockchain is just a ledger. So you can imagine it as like a really secure shared notebook. Everyone can see what's written in it, but no one has control of the notebook itself. This makes it perfect for keeping track of data and rewarding people who help make the network possible. The T network is made up of different types of computers that are just called nodes. When you hear node, you can just think a computer. Or in a lot of crypto, when you hear node, you can think Ponzi scheme. But that's not what a node actually is, and that's not what Timpi means when they say node. And Timpi has 4 types of computers that run their network. They have the geocore node, which these are located in different parts of the world. So when you have a request into Timpi, it goes to the one closest to you. It routes the information in the fastest way possible. They also have collector nodes, and these are the nodes that go out into the interwebs, the internets, and they collect information about websites and their pages. So they're what you might have heard of as crawlers. So Google uses something similar to this. They have these crawlers that go out to all the websites, get all the information that they can, and that's how they show up in your Google search results, is because Google has crawled the internet and found all the relevant websites that they can. So collector nodes go out, get the information, then guardian nodes are where the information is stored. And then they also have these synaptron nodes. That's a cool name. And these are used specifically to get data in and out very quickly. So if you're trying to train an AI model, there's going to be billions of pieces of information needed to train that AI model. So you need something very fast to transfer that information. But all of these nodes work together to create kind of a well-oiled machine that creates a database of internet information that's not controlled by Google. It's not controlled by any one person. It's distributed across these different nodes. And there's a lot of ways that this could change the internet going forward. At least I hope it does. For example, right now, if you want to search for something, you probably go to google.com. You might have Chrome, and when you type something in the search bar up here, it automatically uses Google. And Google has an algorithm, a secret algorithm that goes through their data that they've crawled and decides what results should they put in the search. But Google is 100% in charge of that. If they decide, hey, you know what? We don't like this company. We don't like this political party. They can manipulate the data when you search however they want to. But with Timpi, with this data available and decentralized, anyone could create their own search engine using Timpi's data, and it makes censorship not possible. You can see the data that Timpi stores that you're able to get access to, but market research, travel, education, technology. And Timpi provides this data at a fraction of the cost that Google or Bing or Facebook do. So Timpi has the potential to revolutionize search engines, advertising online, market research, and probably things we haven't even thought of yet. That's the exciting part. With new technology comes new applications. So enough of the nitty-gritty. I know why you watch my channel. How can you make money from something like Timpi? So first off, if you're interested in running one of these nodes, so again, for Timpi to run, they need computers that are running their different nodes. So you can set up a virtual private server. You can set up, it's a computer in the cloud. You can run one of these Timpi nodes, and in return for you running it, they will give you rewards. So again, they have these 4 different nodes that you can get set up. Now, they are sold out right now, but as the network expands, they're going to have to sell more nodes in order to expand the network. So basically, you only need as many nodes as the data that you have in there. So what you can do, nft.io, I'll leave a link down below, but you can just put in your email address here and you'll be notified when the next node sale goes live. But this would provide real passive income. You set up this node and then you sit there and just collect your rewards. So they also have a token, the NTMPI token, and you can use this for payments, like to buy your node. This token is used as governance in the network. The token price has held up pretty well here. It's only been out for, I think, a month or so, a couple months. But as more use cases come up, as the network grows, as people start buying the data, or as the markets just go more bullish, could see some appreciation for the token as well. So you can buy that on Uniswap. I'll leave a link down here below. It's on the Ethereum network, so you just need some USDT, some Ethereum, something on the Ethereum network. And on Uniswap, you can just swap it for the NPI token. Also, hop into the Timpi Discord. They have what's called the Knights Templar. You get the pun there? The Knights Templar program. And if you're active, they're always doing giveaways and discounts and things like that. So hop in there as well. So hopefully this was educative. This was more educational rather than, hey, here's somewhere to put your money. If you like this, please hit the like button. Let me know down below. Do you like more educational videos? Do you want more side hustles? Do you want more crypto? Do you miss Crypto Jimbo? Let me know. Appreciate you guys. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.